This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and Testo equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Just burning some of the stuff from around the yard. Some of the stuff from the meat market. Those are all the brushes from that mini split. Give it the old Gundy, mama. And just old oil tanks. Everything's right inside there. It's not a big issue. No wind today, so it's all contained. Grass is kind of actually wet. That's perfect. She's rocking and rolling. Well, it don't take much to light it either. Throw a couple of pieces of paper in there and off she goes. Scary stuff, that fire. Take no time to cook it up. I mean, just crazy. Look at that for a shot. These make great burning barrels, I'll tell you. You know, I can slide them in or slide them out, whatever I want. Take them apart to clean them. I really should have the drains on the other side because it does get kind of mucky and wet in there, but I get a lot of boxes every day from the meat market and stuff, so just burn them up quickly. There you go. Canadian geese. Look at them all. Stopping traffic. Walking across the road here. Look at them all. Shit. Come on, bitch, we ain't got all day here. Come on, mama, you can do it, mama. You can do it, mama.